This is a video of my antique GE Vortelex oscillating table fan. I'm not sure when this particular one was manufactured. I'm guessing according to the research I did, it's from the late 30s, early 40s. And it is a 2-speed. And my friend Ben gave me this, so Ben, if you're watching this, shout out to you. And if we take a closer look, it actually did clean up pretty well. It's got light rust on the cage, but other than that, it's pretty much untouched. And as you can see, it is a 2-speed. And if we look at the information tag, and without further ado, we will give it a demo. Here is low with the oscillator. And here's high. And off. And now we are going to disengage the oscillation. Okay, and here is low with no oscillation. And here is high. And off. Well, there you have it. This has been my antique GE Vortelex oscillating table fan. Peace.